This is not a phase, my dear.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Carol Jo or Miss Ngero. Welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subby, thank you so much for coming back, and thank you so much guys for 202 subbies. If you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that anytime I post you get notified, and also to help grow the channel. I'm in the bedroom today. Oh, my eye is getting better. Yeah, still a bit swollen, but you can tell the difference, right? And also is the light. Yeah, the lighting is a bit better here. So, and my hair is shoggy. Don't mind it. And don't mind the state of the bedroom. I'm just here for the light, honestly. So yeah, I'm just from Kamukunji, not just from. I came back a few hours ago. I taken the eye for a test drive and it's harsh out there. Yeah, I came back feeling itchy, but we're okay. Mama, what are you doing? So let's do a very quick. Okay, let me remove that away. I don't know what else should not be in the background, honestly. But let's do a very quick haul. What are you doing? Yeah, starting with some towels. I think you've seen these around. Yeah, if you buy from, I think, the streets, they go for roughly 150. Why do they look smaller? Anyway, I got them from a shop. Each was going for 120 bob. So I only got two. And there was another one. Bought another one over here. It's quite soft and very simple. This was going for 80 bob. 80 bob, yeah. 80 bob. I don't know where I'm gonna use it. No way. That woman didn't pack my. Actually, she didn't pack toothpaste, and I paid a whole 25 bob, and she gave me 85 bob extra. Anyway, I got skewers, these ones, for 150. Yep, she never packed the toothpaste. So I also bought hangers. They're just black. A dozen was going for 180 bob. Yeah, just these. What? Mama. Then I bought these. Yeah, they're called what? Exfoliating something. I can't remember the price. Then these. Oil filter. These things are too big. Yeah, so this size was going for 800 bob. I thought there's a bigger one for 1k, but this is already big enough. Yeah, a whisk for 200 bob. Then a citrus something, manual juicer, citrus juicer. It's acrylic. Yeah, comes with a grater and it looks scary, yucky. That is how it looks. And here it is. It's acrylic. This was going for 350 bob. I think there was no other color. Yeah, this was going for 350 bob. And tell me it's broken, guys. Can you see? Okay, I think today Kamukunji iko inanitakia. I feel like returning this, okay. And I don't have those guys' contacts. I think the next time I'm buying, I'll make sure to take contacts. But I don't think this one will be boring. Anyway, I'll test it out to see. And I was super tempted to exchange it for something else. Then I was like, nah. Because I was like, you see here, I felt like it wasn't looking so nice. So I thought maybe I can exchange. Kumbe, I didn't check there. Bought these two from the streets of Kamukunji. Each was going for 100 bob. A spatula for 100 bob. Then this set of Mikos. This one. 200 though, I think. A nail cutter for that bulb. Wow. Let me hope it's not broken, because if it is, Mama? Oh, not broken, yes. Too tall, is it? Yeah, just a glass jar with, and what is this here? The next time I'm going there, I think I'll be extra keen. And that was it. There's a baby's toy.
This is not a phase, my dear. Time heals the moment, but our hearts were frozen, don't disappear. You were scared from not knowing, but I got a feeling that I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just know that I'll give you love you'll never wanna share tonight. Tonight. But if the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing hearts. I wish we could find the space, a great escape, where we could finally break the mold. If it's us that we wanted, happy after the fall. And I don't wanna change it all. 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 Life be till the end. Tell me stories that I've heard 1,001 times before. I bet. Let me fall into your eyes all over again. I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just know that I'll give you love you'll never wanna share tonight. Tonight. But if the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing hearts. I wish we could find the space, a great escape, where we could finally break the mold. If it's us that we wanted, happy after the fall. And I don't wanna change it all. And I don't wanna change it all. And I don't wanna change it all. No, no, no.
Hi guys. Let me flip. Anyway, it's my birthday tomorrow, so I'm making a few snacks, yeah, just to like get in the mood, because I know that this day can really pass without being acknowledged. And in here I have yeast, sugar, and warm milk. I'm making donuts first. Then we have flour and melted margarine, but I didn't like this margarine. I think I prefer Prestige way more than this. Yeah, that's just the update. So here's flour. For the yeast, I've used 2¼ teaspoons in case anyone is interested. 180 ml of milk. You can see me, but I have to talk through this. And then 50 grams of sugar. I'm not using an egg. This is like 60 grams of melted BB. Then half a teaspoon of salt. This is 440 grams plus the salt. Yeah, and that's all. So I've added the blue band. Guys, I don't think I'll be showing you the whole process, but I'll add the flour gradually. I'm holding baby, that's why like vlogging is a bit hectic, but let's see.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away.
too. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking.
Yeah, here they are. I've applied some simple, it's got simple what syrup, like it has icing, sugar, milk, and some vanilla essence. And then what I've sprinkled on top is the desiccated coconut. So I have those and these, and let me tell you guys, these are so good. I've just tasted one, and also the way I've made them, it's a bit crunchy on top, and then underneath it gets softer. You get what I mean? But these are so good. And then over here I have, you see those things from samosa wraps. I feel like the samosas would be mini samosas, so these are what I've gotten from these. Are so crunchy. Can you just giving you the ASMR. These are so good, by the way. Yeah, 2 cups of flour and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Perfect. But the donuts, guys.
Back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. It's been a while since I ran into you on the street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. I slip to the right, to the blue. I slip to the right, to the I slip to the right, to the I slip to the right. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes?